This is Astronomy Lab A2, the Winter Circle. For this astronomy lab, you'll be pointing out bright stars and constellations that are part of the Winter Circle. We'll start off with the constellation Orion. You'll start off by pointing out his two shoulders, Betelgeuse, and this one. The three stars that are part of his belt, here, here, and here. And the two stars that represent his knees, here and here, the last one being called Rigel. The next constellation you'll point out is Canis Major. There are four stars that you'll be pointing at for Canis Major: Sirius, and then this one, and two more, here and here. Canis Minor is a relatively easy constellation. It only has two stars in it, Procyon and one other. Our fourth constellation is Gemini. Gemini is difficult to see from Elon since it has so many faint stars, so you will only be pointing out two stars in it, Pollux and Castor. Our next constellation is Araya the Shepherd. There are six stars in Araya. We'll start with Capella, and then star number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Sometimes the sixth star isn't visible, and so if you don't see it on your night, that won't be a problem. Our final constellation for the Winter Circle is Taurus. We'll start with the bright red star Aldebaran. Since Taurus is also hard to see from Elon, you'll only be pointing at the five brightest stars in the Hyades, or a small V that represents the head of Taurus. Those stars are here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's easy to see where the constellations and bright stars are on this map. When you get out to the real sky, it may look a little different, so be sure to practice before coming up to the roof. When you're finished with this lab, please go to your astronomy lab TA or instructor to have your score recorded.